What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing nails. Everybody's been doing nails and I just couldn't get my hands on nothing on Amazon or Walmart or anywhere, so I finally got my hands on something. I got a couple of things, but we're gonna start with this kit first, which is by Morvon. They came with 3 gels: the clear, pink, white, a base coat and a top coat, as well as a little pen to apply the gel with, and nail forms. There's literally no videos on this particular kit, so we're gonna learn together and figure out what the hell we're doing. I'm real nervous, y'all. Because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. All else fails, we could do an overlay, but maybe we can use nail forms and maybe not. Maybe I'm not that good. So here's some nails just in case. I'm gonna start with the simple shit, which is just cleaning off my current nails. We're back. So I already started applying fake nails, and I'll tell you this fucking nail form was so hard to put on. Like, I'm not really sure how this is gonna go, but it's on. So I figured, for shits and giggles, we'll start with this one, but I don't think it's gonna be a winner. I don't think it's gonna work right for me. I'm gonna do pink. This is what the clear pink looks like. Oh, it's not super runny, so maybe the forms will work. Actually, it's not runny at all, so the nail forms might work. I forgot the base coat. Right here. Okay, that's pretty thick. I don't know if it should be that thick. Let me take off some more. Okay, cure that. We just did 10 seconds. I'm gonna take out a little glob. Starting in the middle. I'm doing this with my finger down because I want it to like not get everywhere. Okay, this is actually not that bad. This nail form, I don't know, dog. I can't with the nail form. But look at that nail just by itself. Look at that. Oh, she's cute. We're back. A lot of shit has happened. I decided to just add some nails. I glued them on, filed them, cut them down, all of that. I didn't film none of that shit because I don't know what I'm doing and it took me a long time. Going back into the base coat. I'm gonna make sure I wipe this off a lot because there's a lot of product that comes off of this brush. Set that for a few seconds. There's my little glob. I'm gonna start right here with my nail facing down and kind of tap the product. This was actually a pretty thick glob that I just did. Trial and error, people. Trial and error. Put that down, and I'm just gonna take a stick and clean up the edges. I'm gonna go ahead and cure this one finger. Okay, so here's the deal. My nails are done. However, they are not cured because my dumbass has an LED lamp instead of a UV lamp. So there's that. I'm gonna try to cheat. Now there's two ways that you can kind of, I'm hoping this is the second way that you can kind of cheat curing the polish or the gel, I should say, and one of them is by just going into direct sunlight and curing your nails that way. However, it is a rainy, dark fucking day outside. Won't be doing that. I am gonna try this gel top coat that I have and see if I can cure it. So right now I am curing my nails. I cheated and used this gel top coat that I've also got online. On Amazon. Melody Susie. Oh, that was too bright. Can you see back here? Melody Susie. So we'll see if that. Oh, it fucking worked. It fucking worked, bro. It worked. I'm so shocked right now because the shit was not curing, and I was putting it in the lamp for like minute after minute after minute after minute after minute, and nothing was fucking happening. And then I realized I had the wrong fucking lamp. Now the instructions doesn't say to wipe off the, the top layer for this, but I know you're supposed to. I'm gonna do a little bit and see if it comes off right. Let's do this now. What? And it does. Okay. So I did this hand so bad because I felt like I was defeated. Shook. Okay, so this is what my nails look like. Okay, right? Not too bad. I cheated the fucking system. Let's go into like actually reviewing this product. This gel is actually really nice. It's easy to work with. I've never done my nails with a gel like this before. So if you're a beginner, and as long as you have an easy hand, like not easy, as long as you have a steady hand, I feel like you can do this. So yes, I would definitely recommend this product. Application was easy. I'm sure it'll dry easy if you got the right damn lamp. It self-sets or settles, so you don't have to drill, because as long as you angle your hand right so that the product kind of moves around and drips in the right place, it's gonna be a smooth application. This shit was so easy to use. I'm really shocked. And I'm really shocked that nobody has done a review on this yet. I didn't use the top coat because this one specifically said that it was for an LED lamp, so I had to cheat and use this one instead of the top coat that came with it, but the base coat was fine. The applicator is fine as well. If you can get your hand on it, then hell yeah, get that shit. Now, the nail forms, I've never used a nail form in my life, okay? I don't know if it's user error. I don't know if they shitty. I can't attest to nothing on that, but that didn't work for me. That's all I can say about that. But they do come with them, and they come with a whole lot. You know what I'm saying? They come with a whole lot of the nail forms. There's no instructions or anything to this whole little kit. But if you can find it, I suggest you go get that shit, because I mean, how much product you get, that itself is a good buy. This is 2 ounces, so this is the pink. Each jar is 2 ounces. You get the pink, you get the clear, you get the white. Now this pink is not really pink at all, but I'll rock with it, you know what I'm saying? Curious to see how this white looks. I guess I can go ahead and open it just to show you guys, but it's white. See, you got what you need for a basic manicure right there. I don't know about you bougie bitches who always do your nails and stuff like that, if this is okay for you guys, but it's okay for me. Beginner friendly, check. Okay, so that's it, we done. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.